welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a last minute DIY Christmas gifts video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. And I do have merchandise. I'm wearing one of the shirts right now. It says Addicted to YouTube. So if you guys want to go check that out, I will have the link down below. Let's just get started with the video. So the first DIY are bottle cap magnets. So for this, all you're going to need are some bottle caps, of course, a pair of scissors, magnets, a circle hole punch, some cutouts, and a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks, as well as epoxy dot bottle cap stickers or Mod Podge to seal in the picture in the bottle cap. And I will link these ones down below. So all I did was take this little cutout and I just used the circle hole punch to cut out this little emoji, and then I just hot glued that onto the inside of the bottle cap. And I just really like this DIY because it's super customizable and you can print out any pictures you would like. Then I just took the epoxy sticker and placed that onto the image in the bottle cap. This part is optional, and if you don't have these stickers, you can just use Mod Podge if you would like, because it will just protect the image from scratches. So then I just cut out a little magnet from this roll of magnets that I got from Michael's, and I just placed some hot glue on there and hot glued this onto the back of the bottle cap like so. And this is what the first bottle cap magnet turned out to look like. It takes like no time at all, and it's a super easy last minute gift idea. So I just repeated this to the next image, and I just had this Giants image printed out. You can use whatever sports team you would like, and then I just hot glued that onto the bottle cap like so. And once again, I took an epoxy sticker and just placed that inside of the bottle cap, and then once again I hot glued a magnet onto the back. So this is what the bottle cap magnets turn out to look like. I also made this a Frozen one, which I think is super cute. And I also made a Santa one. So I just really like this gift idea because you can print out the person's favorite sports team or their favorite celebrity or really anything. So the next DIY gift idea are painted coasters. So for this, all you're going to need are some different colors of paint, Mod Podge, a ceramic tile, foam brushes, and a paint palette. So all I did was apply the paint onto the coaster using the foam brushes. And I know this looks super messy, but basically I just dabbed the paint onto the coaster. I just did this randomly. It's really not perfect at all, but I ended up adding 2 coats of paint, so it ended up looking a lot better in the end. And I think this gift is also very customizable because you can use the person's favorite colors and you can really paint whatever you want, but I'm not the best at painting, so I just decided to do this. And this was like really calming and super fun to do. I forgot to mention that you will also need felt and a pen, so I just traced the coaster onto a piece of felt and then I cut it out. And then I'm just hot gluing the felt onto the bottom of the coaster. And by the way, I got this tile coaster from Home Depot for like 16 cents. And the reason why we hot glued the felt onto the coaster is so that it doesn't scratch the surface. So as you can tell, when I'm moving the coaster back and forth, it does not scratch my table. So this is what the coaster turned out to look like. I think it's super cute, and I just placed this Disneyland mug on top. And yes, this is the finished DIY. So the next DIY is a fabric pencil pouch or makeup bag. All you're going to need is a pair of scissors, a zipper, fabric, and hot glue gun, and some hot glue sticks. So all I did was cut out a piece of fabric that is 8.5 inches long by 7.5 inches wide, and then I just folded this piece of fabric in half so that the inside of the fabric is showing, and then I just hot glued the sides of the fabric. And then I just folded the piece of fabric right side out because now the outside of the fabric is on the outside, if that makes sense. So then I just placed a line of hot glue on the edge of the fabric and then attached the zipper. You just want to make sure to only attach the fabric part of the zipper and not the actual zipper, of course. And then I just folded the zipper again and then attached the other side of the zipper with hot glue. And that's pretty much it. I just added a little bit of of hot glue at a time just so that it wouldn't dry, because the hot glue dries very quickly. And just be careful when you're doing this, and have a parent do this if you're really young. And as you can tell, the zipper works, the pencil pouch or makeup bag opens, and you can make this whatever size you would like. I just thought this was a good size. If you want to fit like a ton of makeup in it, then maybe make it a little bit bigger. And I just think this fabric is absolutely adorable. I got it a couple of years ago at Joann Fabrics, so I'm not sure if they still have it, but it's just a bunch of Christmas cookies and I absolutely love it. So the last DIY is cookies in a bag, and this is very, very simple. I don't even know if you would consider it a DIY, but all you need are cookies, scissors, ribbon, and a festive bag. So first I just opened up the bag that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just placed the cookies inside. I made these sugar cookies from like the Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix, I'm pretty sure. You could decorate the cookies if you want. You could really make whatever cookies you want, or you could buy them. And then I'm just twisting the bag like so, and then placing that off to the side and cutting a piece of red sparkly ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, I think. And then I'm just tying that around the bag. I ended up tying a bow, but that was really hard to do on camera, so this is what it turned out to look like. I would just recommend using regular ribbon because this glitter got everywhere. You guys enjoyed this DIY last minute Christmas gifts video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you are notified every single time I upload. And I do upload videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.